Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made an easy mirrored side table using these mirrored towels from eFavorMart.com. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with a 16-inch and 9-inch mirror that I picked up from Joann's. I cut out two 9-inch circles from insulation foam board that I already had at home. I needed to add just a bit more height, so I'm also using this foam board that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I used generous amounts of Wellbond glue to adhere those three pieces together. I then glued my 9-inch mirror right on top. I followed those same steps for my 16-inch mirror. I used a combination of Wellbond glue and hot glue to attach my 1¼ inch mirror towels around both pieces. I'm adding the mirror towels separately so that I can properly space them around my round mirror. Once my mirror towels were properly positioned, I then added small amounts of hot glue to hold my mirrored pieces in place until my Wellbond glue dries. Next, I used Gorilla Glue and a small amount of hot glue to adhere 3 Dollar Tree glass vases together. I then covered my glass vases with my mirror towels. These mirror towels are self-adhesive, but I'm adding a bit of Gorilla Glue just to ensure that they stay in place over time. I had hoped to use the entire mirror sheet to cover my glass vase, but they were a bit too wide, so I ended up removing one of the rows, and then I used Gorilla Glue to reattach that row on top to hide my remaining space. In hindsight, I wish I would have glued these last 10 mirrors down separately so that they would be more flush with the rest of the mirror tiles. Originally, I was going to use this larger vase, but I ended up finding a third cylinder vase in my garage and decided to use that vase instead. I made sure that my vases were level, and then I waited about 20 minutes before adding a second mirrored sheet. I used Dollar Tree mosaic stickers to cover up the remaining parts of my glass. This part of the table has the most weight, so I'll be lifting my table by this centerpiece whenever I decide to move my table around. I then put all three pieces together with generous amounts of my Gorilla Glue. Once I placed on my tabletop, I allowed my table to dry overnight. The following day, I added decorative trim to my tabletop, removed the excess glue, and here's the finished look. I placed my favorite gold DIY vase on top, and I think that this week's project turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's project. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.